What's up everybody, Jermaine here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy and extra sweet date night dinner for two, all in one pan. To start, we're going to add our mayonnaise. Next, egg yolk, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, hot sauce, parsley, Old Bay, salt, lemon zest. And now we're going to whisk this all together. Now that that's all whisked together, let's go ahead and add the crab meat. Now don't be cheap. You gotta get this jumbo lump. No claw meat, no imitation. You gotta do it up. All right, now gently, I repeat, gently mix this together. You wanna keep all those lumps whole, or as close to whole as possible. And you wanna feel like you want a fancy date, so don't break up them lumps of crab, all right? Lastly, you want to add your Ritz crackers because they're buttery and delicious. Now that that's all mixed up, we're going to throw some plastic wrap on top and toss it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour just to let those crab cakes form and that way they don't fall apart. This is a really simple way to bring some elegance into your meal. First, we're going to toss these in a little bit of olive oil and then set them aside. Next, we're going to throw down some flour and roll out our puff pastry. And then we're going to cut it into 4 equal squares and brush the center of each square with Dijon mustard. Place a slice of prosciutto in each square. Then top with 4 asparagus spears and 2 slices of brie. Rotate each square so the corner's up, creating a diamond shape. And repeat with the remaining pieces. Add your bundles to the top half of the prepared baking sheet. Brush with egg wash and sprinkle with everything bagel seasoning. And then put it in the fridge while you assemble the rest of your dinner. Now we're going to form these crab cakes. Now gently grab a nice handful of crab meat and form it into a mound. This is going to make 2 pretty large crab cakes. Next, we're going to brush this with melted butter, put it back in the fridge, and assemble that dessert. What's a romantic dinner without dessert? So that's why I'm making these skillet brookies. First, we're going to microwave the butter and chocolate chips until everything is melted. We're going to let that sit for 2 minutes before whisking it together. Now we're going to combine granulated sugar, brown sugar, vanilla, and then salt. Next, whisk in the egg yolk. Sift the flour and cocoa powder together in the bowl, and then use a spatula to fold it in. Pour your brownie batter into a greased 6-inch oven-safe skillet. Arrange 7 cookies on top of the brownie batter. Lastly, scatter large chunks of cookie dough on top. This is going to go on the bottom left-hand corner of our baking sheet. Ooh, this is looking good. The wife's going to love this. Now it's time to put it in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. But cover the brookie with aluminum foil after 15 minutes. Coarsely chop the remaining cookies and set them aside for later. While we wait, we're gonna make our aioli. This aioli is really easy to make. All you have to do is combine mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, hot sauce, turmeric, lemon pepper seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, fresh dill, garlic, and fresh lemon juice. All right, that's it for the aioli. The only thing left to do is to pull our pan out the oven and put our finishing touches on it. Yo, you see this? This looks crazy. Man, she's really gonna be impressed with this, especially this brookie. Like, I can't even bake. This thing right here looks like a professional did it. You know me. There's only one thing left to do, and that's to get my wife and see what she thinks.
Wow, this looks so good. I'm so proud of you, babe.
Well, thank you. Whoa. Where do you try this crab cake, though?
Oh my gosh. Love that. I can taste the dill. It's so hearty, and I love that you use so much lump crab meat in there.
Yeah, we're from Maryland, baby.
It's amazing. Wow.
I want to try this brookie, though.
Oh my gosh. It smells amazing. I need some. Is it good?
It was too good. I think I got a cavity.
Let me get in here.
Get in there, girl.
Wow, it's so rich and flavorful. I love it.
Yeah.
It's like everything I want in one.
So what do you think, babe? How'd I do on this date night?
You did amazing. This is beautiful.
Oh, thanks.
You did such a great job.
Oh, look at that.
Everything I want on one pan.
Let's go. There you have it, one sheet date night dinner. We're gonna go finish the rest of our evening. I'm Jermaine Rawlings. See you next time.
Oh, yes.